Okay, we have a Jeep Wrangler 2012. We end up installing the shock sensor, glass break-in sensor to the factory alarm system because he has remote start, he has everything. He didn't need to install another alarm and carry another remote control around or whatnot, so he wanted to keep everything nice and clean. So we hooked up the pin switch for the hood, so if they open the hood from the outside, we'll fire off the factory alarm. And if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the windows, the alarm will fire off. I'll give you the demonstration right now. That protects the whole Jeep from bumper to bumper. Of course, if they open any of the doors, that will fire off the alarm, but that was factory. He already had that. What he wanted to add was in the event that if somebody busts the window, and you know, everybody knows that you're not going to open a door because the alarm's going to go off, so they're going to bust the window and jump in and take whatever they need to take. So yeah, the shock sensor add-on is a nice upgrade to the factory alarm. And also another thing he can add in the future, it will be the cellular module. So if the factory alarm fires off, he'll receive a text alert anywhere in the United States, or even out of the United States. It's going to be like a text, and it also comes with the app that gives you GPS in case they tow the vehicle and he doesn't make it back on time. He can always track it and see where the Jeep is at. This factory add-on to this factory alarm system was installed here in Miami, Florida. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And before you give us a call, if you're interested in doing this add-on, you want to lower down your driver's window, hit lock on the remote control, give it like 40 seconds, and then reach in and open the door from the inside and see if the alarm fires off. To make sure that you do have a factory alarm system in order for you to be a good candidate for this upgrade. If you don't have a factory alarm system because you have the base model Jeep, it's okay. We can always add an aftermarket alarm, and then most probably you won't even have a remote control like this, and you'll probably just have the regular key, and you're going to have a remote control that will lock and unlock your doors and all that. Thank you for watching this video.